Hi everyone, and welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a DIY, but I thought I would show you our new camper, or new to us, but it's an old pop-up camper that we just got, and we wanted to do a little series on the cleanup and remodel of it, so I thought I would start day one today. So here's a quick tour of what the camper looks like now. It's in really good condition. It's just really in need of some cleaning and painting and just some remodeling and bringing up to date. So I hope you guys enjoy. So this is our pop-up camper that we just got. It's obviously used and pretty old. So I'm going to be starting probably a small series on our channel of remodeling this or fixing it up. But first I have to clean it, and then I'm going to be stripping off all of the fabrics and redoing those. My mom's going to help me on the curtains and the cushions. And just in time, Super Clean contacted me and asked if I wanted to do a giveaway on my channel, and I thought since I would be using their cleaners in the camper anyway, it would be perfect timing. So they were nice enough to offer up one of these t-shirts, gray or purple, the Super Clean aerosol spray, that is a degreaser, the Super Clean foaming, Super Clean all-wheel cleaner, and the original Super Clean. So I will put the rules for this. It's just going to be very simple. Just leave me a message down below and let me know how you would use Super Clean, and I will pick 4 winners and send the information to Super Clean, and they will get your products right out to you. So let's get to cleaning.
I didn't see a spray nozzle.
So we wanted to get a camper because I've always went camping as a kid. We always went as a family with aunts and uncles and cousins and grandparents, and we really had a good time. It took some convincing to get my husband to try camping, but after we went a few times the last couple of years, he actually ended up enjoying it, but thought he would like a camper better than a tent, just for the comfort and worry about when it's raining and stuff like that. So we were pretty excited when we found this one. I mean, besides it being really dated and kind of grimy and needing some cleaning up and updating, it really had some good bones. And we've had it up for a couple weeks just to make sure there wasn't any leaks, and we were pretty surprised that there weren't, but it's held up great, and it's been through some pretty good windstorms and stuff like that lately. So I'm really excited we found this, and I hope you follow along in the next couple months or couple weeks, however long it takes, to fix it up and remodel it. So as far as the Super Clean giveaway goes, they contacted me and asked if I would do a giveaway on my channel. And since I've used their products before and really like them and like how they work, I thought it would be perfect timing with using them in the camper and stuff. And all you have to do, like I said before, is just leave me a comment below letting me know how you would use the Super Clean if you won, and if you've ever used it before. And then I will be picking 4 random winners and sending Super Clean the information so that they can get the products out to you. This is not my giveaway, this is theirs. So just so you know all the rules, I will put the rules in the description box and kind of how it came about, just so people understand this is not my giveaway. But I do really like their products, especially for this kind of deep cleaning, degreasing type thing. I used the aerosol degreaser on the floors just because I thought that would work best, and it worked fantastic. It got all there was some rust spots on the floor and just, you know, normal grimy dirt and buildup on the linoleum. And this we're going to put down the vinyl plank flooring on here, but I just wanted to have a nice clean surface before we did that. I'm not totally sure yet what we're going to do with the little mini countertop area. I don't know if we're going to put down new Formica or just turn that into like a butcher block. We haven't decided yet. So if you have any ideas, let me know. This is the refrigerator or cooler that came with the camper. I'm not sure. I might paint it. That's why I'm giving it a good wipe down. Plus it was pretty nasty. We might just end up turning this into a regular cabinet and taking out the cabinet that you just saw and putting in just a mini fridge of our own that's actually a refrigerator, because I think this is more of a cooler. And then as far as the cushions go, I got some charcoal gray fabric that I think will look really pretty, especially if I paint the cabinets and the walls white. I wanted something dark and something that would be easy to take off and clean, but something that wasn't going to show a lot of the dirt. Yeah. What time is it? And you have to leave at like 1:45? Yeah, just put them on speed wash. Just regular, and just put in your work clothes with some of the dryer balls. And this camper does have a heater. And I just used some of the regular original Super Clean on this and a toothbrush and gave it a good scrubbing. And before we move to cleaning the outside, here's what the inside looks like. I think it looks a whole lot better than it did as far as the cleanliness of it. I got that little home rug from the Dollar Tree. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever done a camper remodel and what all the tips and tricks are, if you guys have any. And here on the outside, I'm just going to give it a good scrub down with some of the super clean products as well. You can see it's pretty gross. And if you guys know how we can fix this door, I think my husband has an idea of how he's going to fix it, but it keeps popping open. It won't latch for some reason. But I'm going to give the outside a good scrub down. Obviously not the fabric part of it, or canvas, whatever that is. Just the bottom. My husband's going to redo that as well. I think he's going to strip off the, the STARCRAFT and stickers and stuff like that, and give it a good scrub down and painting. And he might redo the vinyl on it as well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this camper clean with me and the introduction of our new tiny series that we're going to be doing. And don't forget to enter into the super clean giveaway. I really do recommend these products. Like I said, they're for a little bit more heavy duty cleanings. I use mine in, the bathroom and kitchen sink and stuff like that, and also now for camping. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested in seeing the remodel of our camper. I'll see you next time. Bye.